Namaskar friends, welcome back to Easy Peasy Hindi. Friends, today we will learn the names of birds in Hindi which are commonly found in India. The Hindi word for bird is chidiya or pakshi, pakshi. And the plural form of bird, that is chidiya, is chidiyan, and for pakshi is pakshiyon. Now, friends, let's begin with the national bird of India, peacock. Peacock is known as more in Hindi. Peahen is known as morni. Sparrow is known as gauraiya in Hindi. Parrot is known as tota. So the pronunciation of T is similar to that of T in the word pasta. So, tota. Maina is known as maina in Hindi. Cuckoo is known as koyal. Nightingale is known as bulbul in Hindi. Crow is known as kauwa. And raven is known as kala kauwa. Duck is known as batak in Hindi. Batak. Hen is known as murgi. Rooster is known as murga. A partridge is known as titar. So here again the pronunciation of T is similar to that of T in the word pasta. So T is pronounced as ta. So titar. Quail is known as bater in Hindi. Pigeon is known as kabutar. Owl is known as ullu. Eagle is known as cheel. Vulture is known as gidh. Hawk is known as Baj in Hindi, or you can say Baz. Both are correct. Bat is known as Chamgadad in Hindi. So the pronunciation of D is the as in THE, and the other is R. That is D with a thud. R. Chamgadad. Woodpecker is known as Katfodwa. Kingfisher is known as Ram Chiraiya. Ostrich is known as Shuturmurg. Crane is known as Saras in Hindi. Heron is known as Bagula. Flamingo is known as Rajhans. And a swan is known as Hans in Hindi. Hans. Friends, I hope you liked the video and this video helped you learn the names of different birds in Hindi. If you like the video, please do subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.